Hey guys, it's Tony Lopez and really excited for today's episode where we're meeting with one of our clients to actually go through her shipping container home that she's going to be living in full time. Let's dive right in. Hey Jackie, it's great to see you. Thanks for making it out.
Thank you.
You drove all the way from the East Coast to Vegas.
Yeah.
How's the drive?
It's amazing.
Aww.
People should see
a lot of country to see.
Like beautiful parts of this country.
That's great. Well, I'm really excited to show you your container home. I know you've seen it at some of the different stages as we've been sending you some update pictures. What is it like to officially see your future home?
Excited. I'm excited. I'm excited.
Yeah, that's great. Oh, I'm excited too. So we can go ahead and jump right to the inside. What I will say before we go in though is I really like, one, the paint color. I think it turned out really cool. And I love this door. It's a really nice door. So it gives it a nice, good look, I feel like.
It's a good contrast.
Yeah,
it's
cool.
Hey, come in.
Right? Yeah, let's go ahead and check it out.
I love it.
It's good. It's so airy. It's so bright in here. I'm like, all the natural light, all of the white interior. It really turned out cool.
It feels cozy.
Right? Now, I'm excited to hear what you plan on doing with the space. So let's walk this way.
Okay.
Back here I know is your bedroom area.
Yeah.
So where are you planning on putting your bed? What's your plan for it?
There's actually enough space for the mattress and 2 nightstands.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
That's really cool. What's cool about that is in a normal container home that isn't possible because we usually have to, frame out the walls, add the drywall. That usually takes up about 5 inches on each side. So because you have that extra space, you can actually center your bed. That's exciting.
This is actually very unique. It's not so boring.
Yeah, I like it, right?
Yeah.
That's cool. Where are you thinking about storing your clothes? I know that's a big topic.
The whole point of getting this is to simplify life. So your one video really inspired me because they had the bed here and then they had a wardrobe as a separation.
Okay. Yeah,
so
that's great.
Perhaps like somewhere along here.
Okay,
and then
cool.
a cabinet.
Yeah, do a nice full wardrobe.
Yeah.
Then you got a sofa space, and then you'll be able to put your TV right here across from it.
Right.
I know you got your plugs here. And then this unit is pretty unique in that we've built it up to a certain point. But if you want to explain to us, what are you envisioning in this space?
I love cooking.
Nice.
So I have a lot of kitchen gadgets.
Okay,
so
cool.
this is what I'm envisioning, having this area here for the storage of all the gadgets.
Okay.
And the counter is going to be here. I'm contemplating using only 2 burners.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
That's great.
Because I don't remember a time where I actually used 4 burners.
Dang. Yeah, that's a good point, actually.
Right?
I don't know if I've ever done that. Yeah.
Exactly. So a nice sink, no dishwasher.
So you got your sink going here.
Yeah.
Your stove goes here.
Right.
And then, just some cabinet space, it sounds like.
These would be for the kitchen gadgets.
Cool,
That's
yeah. Coffee machine or things like
right,
that.
Yeah.
And then the opposite side, tell us a little bit about this space. What's going here?
Wash and dryer. Thank you for putting that propane connection. And then a fridge.
Okay, cool. Oh, the fridge goes right here. That's right. Okay,
yeah.
nice. And I think this is one of the coolest spaces is actually your bathroom. And I've mentioned it before, I've never seen a bathtub in an RV. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Tell us a little bit about your inspiration for your bathroom.
That was my must-have.
That's cool.
It was, and then it just came to my research that it actually not only fit, it still has spaces on both sides.
Yeah.
Isn't that amazing?
That's cool.
Yeah, this is one of the joy in life.
Oh, that's cool. I love it.
Yeah.
And we actually, one of the things we had to do.
Thank you for making it happen.
Of course.
Yeah.
One of the things we had to do for Jackie is initially we were going to do a 19-gallon hot water heater, but it dawned on us that thing alone takes more than 19 gallons to have a nice bath. So we upgraded to an on-demand hot water heater that's ran by propane. So I think that's pretty cool. Yeah. So now as soon as you turn that hot water on, bam, you have the hot water, you get your nice warm bath. Now, I think there's a lot of people that are watching that are probably want to know a little bit more about your inspiration and your story for why you decided to move into a container home, to live tiny. Can you share a little bit about that?
Sure. After the 24 months of change on the planet.
Yeah, COVID and everything.
Yeah, exactly. So I had a chance to evaluate life, and I was living in Manhattan, New Jersey, Jersey City. It's too much concrete there, and during the lockdown, it's just like I had this like strong urge to be closer to nature.
Yeah.
Instead of having to go down the elevator and then go really far. So this is one of the ways to do it. You know, I open a door, I step into nature. And
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Can you tell people part of your journey on, I know one of the biggest challenges with people that are looking to buy a container home is, well, where can I put it?
Right.
Tell them a little bit about where you found a good place to put your container home.
I did a lot of research, and it is a journey. It's a project, you know, work has project, life has project too. It was a lengthy project, but at the end it was worthwhile. There are a lot of information out there. We just have to be patient. But I think the most important thing is like if we put down on a piece of paper, handwrite it, like what would be ideal, right?
Yeah.
And use that as a guideline. Eventually it'll come true.
That's
it might have to go through a certain
the
twists
journey.
and turns,
Yeah,
right?
it's
and
real.
It's worth it. Yeah.
That's amazing. And what's cool is I know you did a lot of research. You ended up seeing a video from our friends that we actually know, which is such a small world, from Far Out Tiny Homes.
Right.
And it was a video talking about where you can park tiny homes.
Yeah.
And it was through that you found the RV park in, whereabouts in Florida is it?
This is in Cocoa.
Okay,
it's
Cocoa,
actually
Florida.
a tiny community, not an RV
Okay,
park.
cool. Yeah, tiny home park. Okay, cool.
Yeah, so.
Yeah, and I know you showed me pictures of it. It's beautiful, super green. I couldn't believe it. And it's a good monthly rate, you know?
Right.
So what a cool place to be for such an affordable living situation.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Well, any final things you'd want to say to anybody that's considering going tiny?
You know, follow your heart. I think your heart knows.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, you heard it from Jackie herself. Follow your heart. If you're looking to go tiny and you are a fan of container homes, I'd encourage you to check out our different models online at alternativeliving spaces.com. Thank you for hanging out with us, and we'll see you in the next video.